Study is casting doubt on just how healthy some protein powders and shakes are.
Lead in your meal replacement.
Two specific products, Naked Nutrition's Vegan Mass Gainer and Huel's Black Edition powder, allegedly contained well over 10 times the daily recommended limit.
This isn't just about a tainted product. It's about a fundamental misunderstanding of health.
Every week on the podcast, I'm going to talk about different things to do with Huel, to do with time saving, to do with diet and nutrition.
And here's where it gets wild. You've got the host of the Diary of the CEO, Stephen Bartlett, drinking this stuff for years, spending thousands, only for it to be revealed that it has lead.
And for me, Huel is a nutritionally complete drink, which means that I don't have to spend hours preparing food.
Why skip the pleasure of a real nutrient-dense meal when it's never been easier to make it happen? I don't get it, guys. What's going on out there? I have clients who admit to spending over $1,200 a month on supplements, and it's not even getting them the results that they want.
I've been a customer for, I think, 4 years.
So now think about it. You have multimillionaires with assistants, private chefs, and every food delivery app at their fingertips. The ultimate convenience. Yet they choose to drink their meals from a powder because it's more convenient.
It means that I get all the good stuff I need to perform and have a good diet, but I can have it in like 20 seconds.
As I tell my clients, unless you're toothless or you're on a space mission, thanks to Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos, then there's no valid reason for you to be skipping a real meal. Anything else is just a choice to under-leverage your health. This is exactly why my clients see me, so that they can learn how to be the CEO of their own health and body and stop outsourcing their well-being.
Consumer Reports say it tested samples of nearly 24 brands and says about 70% contain more lead in a single serving than its expected recommended people ingest in an entire day.
This is exactly why I created the Masterclass on the good, the bad, and the ugly of supplementation. So if you're someone out there right now either thinking about taking supplements or you're wondering which supplements are safe to take, then click the link at the end of the video for a Masterclass in supplementation. Yes, it's free, of course, it's on YouTube. So I look forward to helping you become the CEO of your own health and body.